towards the end of 2021, I uploaded a wedding vlog and wedding highlight film, tad bit out of context on this channel. See, those are from my wedding family portrait site, photo17.com, here on YeagerShots.com, which check out the website if you have a chance to pick up some photography themed and channel themed apparel. We go over a few tools of the trade, so to speak, and I've got some pretty familiar things and some off the beaten path things. 3 of them, in fact, that I use to get through a full day of filming weddings. Starting with this little hack from White Reverie, another group of wedding filmmakers, taking a 3/8 inch basic standard mount that would go onto a tripod, in this case a Tascam, attaching it inside here to be able to let this hang off of a pole or hang down so I can see the levels on my Tascam meter for a quick glance. Second, we've got this basic but yet very versatile portable power supply, so we can plug our lights in out in the field, literal fields, or we can plug in chargers and things for phones, batteries, whatever. Just make sure it's a synth wave power supply so it doesn't damage any of your electronics. You might notice this thing. It's not a cast. It is a QB play call sheet. I use it for photo and video shots to remember what all I need to get. I need shots in portrait mode. I need shots in landscape mode, 60p shots, 24p, 120p in some cases. Something to glance at really helps. Keeps me off the phone, and for some people, being able to just glance at this and engage quickly with them and not seem like I'm texting while shooting something is very, very handy. So that is why I rock this. Also, it is really obnoxious. Just really fun to do that. So really this video is 2 unusual kind of things and 1 very common thing to use to get you through some longer photo sessions, and it doesn't even have to be for wedding stuff. This could be your creative modeling type shoots as well. Probably not doing family photos all day to bring all this out, but I don't know, different situations call for different things. If you like this quick video, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.